Hey, what's up, George? I wanted to show you how to turn this thing on. I think you gotta press the one button and on at the same time. Then it comes on. Off, that button is off. Turn it on, one, that is on. All right? The empty pallets I picked up. Two of this stuff was damaged. They write it on a paper and they gave it back. Now we lock up and get out of here. Lock up. To make this thing go up, they got buttons here. This is to raise and lower, or you got buttons over here, up and down, up. Right, so if you want to unfold it, down and open at the same time. The down button and the open at the same time to open, up and close to close. That's it.